Transit slips should be placed in the books facing the front. Slips should be placed with both the county and branch visible at the top of the book. When selecting boxes, they should be in good condition, with no holes, tears, or tattered edges. Boxes not suitable for shipping, with holes, extra tape, and weak spots, should be broken down and disposed of. Before packing the box, reinforce it with tape along the bottom. For larger shipments, cardboard can also be added. Items should be placed in the box in a neat and organized manner, with the weight evenly distributed, much like a game of Tetris. Packing material should be added to fill in any gaps and prevent items from moving during transit. All DVDs and audiobooks should be placed in bubble wrap or in a bubble mailer before being added to the box. This will prevent damage to cases and CDs. Once all items have been added, place additional packing material to fill up all empty space in the box. Use a spare piece of cardboard to prevent the box from caving in and to prevent items from being damaged when opened. When taping the boxes shut, we make sure that the edges meet in the middle. Using FedEx's preferred method, the H method, we apply tape down the middle and then along each edge. Depending on the size of the package, more or less tape can be used. We typically don't use poly mailers, but when we do, we make sure not to overfill the bag. The bag is sealed shut and extra tape is applied to make sure that the bag does not open. Plenty of space is left in the bag. Tightly packed or over-taped items make it more likely that the items will be damaged when opening. When weighing the boxes should be placed on the middle of the scale. The outgoing library and weight are then recorded on a notepad and the box to make it easier when making and applying labels. All packages should weigh no more than 40 pounds. After the labels are made and printed, we make sure our boxes are clean of extra tape and labels. Labels that cannot be removed should be marked out. New labels are applied to the top right of the box. If all labels cannot be removed, it is acceptable to cover them with the new label.